Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're tackling a common issue with Ring doorbells when they just won't stop ringing. If your Ring doorbell is stuck in a ringing loop, don't worry, we've got you covered. I'm going to walk you through some troubleshooting steps to get it back to its normal functioning self. Step 1. Check the power supply. First things first, let's check the power supply. Make sure the Ring doorbell is securely connected to its power source. Sometimes a loose connection can cause it to malfunction. Step 2. Reboot your Ring doorbell. Next, try rebooting your Ring doorbell. Open the Ring app on your smartphone, find your device in the devices list, and select Device Health. From there, you can choose Reboot Device to restart it. Step 3. Check for firmware updates. If rebooting didn't solve the issue, let's check for any firmware updates. In the Ring app, go to Device Health again and look for any pending firmware updates. Keeping your device up to date can often resolve software-related glitches. Step 4. Adjust motion settings. Another common cause of repeated ringing is overly sensitive motion settings. Go into the Ring app, find your device settings, and adjust the motion sensitivity to a level that suits your environment. This can prevent false triggers that might be causing the ringing. Step 5. Reset your Ring doorbell. If all else fails, you may need to perform a factory reset. In the Ring app, navigate to your device's settings, select Device Health, and then Advanced Settings. From there, choose Remove Device to reset it. Remember, this will erase all custom settings. Conclusion. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix a Ring doorbell that keeps ringing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.